The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a kitchen game changer. With its versatile 9-in-1 functionality, it effortlessly handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, rice making, and even yogurt preparation. Its sleek stainless steel design ensures durability and easy cleaning. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, while the included app offers over 800 recipes to inspire your meals. The user-friendly controls and customizable settings make cooking a breeze. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking last-minute dinners, this gadget saves time and effort. Upgrade your kitchen today with this must-have culinary powerhouse. The Stanley IceFlow stainless steel tumbler is the ultimate hydration companion for home, office, or on the go. With its vacuum insulation, it keeps your drinks refreshingly cold for up to 12 hours or iced for an incredible 2 days. The 30-aughts capacity ensures you stay hydrated without constant refills. Its leak-resistant flip straw makes sipping effortless while preventing spills. Built from durable stainless steel, it's designed to withstand everyday use. Sleek and stylish in Black 2.0, this tumbler is a must-have for anyone seeking convenience, style, and performance. The 2018 Apple Mac Mini with a 3.0 GHz Intel Core i5 processor is a compact powerhouse perfect for productivity and entertainment. With 8 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast performance. The sleek gray design complements any workspace, making it a stylish choice for professionals and creatives. Despite being renewed, this Mac Mini is rigorously tested for quality and reliability. Its versatile ports and connectivity options make it ideal for expanding your setup. Whether for office work, video editing, or streaming, this device delivers exceptional performance. Get premium Apple quality at a fraction of the cost. The Atri Smart Plug is the ultimate addition to any smart home setup. These Wi-Fi-enabled plugs seamlessly integrate with Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings, giving you complete control of your devices with voice commands or the app. With the built-in timer function, scheduling your appliances has never been easier, saving energy and time. Designed for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, they ensure stable and reliable performance. The compact size ensures they won't block adjacent outlets. Perfect for controlling lights, fans, and more, this 4-pack offers exceptional value. Transform your home into a smarter, more efficient space today. Radio Flyer Red Rider Trike, the perfect outdoor toddler tricycle. The Radio Flyer Red Rider Trike is the ultimate companion for kids aged 2.5 to 5. Its sturdy steel frame ensures durability, while the adjustable seat grows with your child for years of use. The Quiet Ride tires provide smooth outdoor adventures, and the rear storage bin adds a fun, functional touch for carrying toys. This Amazon exclusive combines style and safety with its bold red design and easy grip handlebars. Perfect for developing motor skills and fostering independence, it's a gift your toddler will love. Parents adore the ease of assembly and the reliable quality Radio Flyer is known for. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the ultimate action camera for capturing life's adventures. With stunning 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and 27 megapixel photos, every moment comes to life in vivid detail. Its advanced HDR and 1.9-inch image sensor deliver exceptional clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Dive worry-free with waterproof capabilities and enjoy smooth footage thanks to powerful stabilization. Use it as a live streaming tool or webcam for unparalleled versatility. Compact, rugged, and packed with features, it's a must-have for content creators and thrill seekers alike. Transform your lifestyle with the 1.95-inch HD curved screen smartwatch, a perfect blend of style and functionality. Effortlessly dial or answer calls right from your wrist while enjoying comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate and sleep monitoring. With 112 plus sports modes, it's your ultimate fitness companion for any activity. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures durability in any condition, and seamless compatibility with Android and iOS keeps you connected. Whether for workouts or work days, this smartwatch delivers unmatched performance and elegance. Upgrade to smarter living today. Experience ultimate home security with the all-new Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 release. Upgrade your front door with this sleek Venetian bronze doorbell that offers stunning head-to-toe video coverage. Stay connected with live view and two-way talk, perfect for real-time communication with visitors. Advanced motion detection and instant alerts ensure you never miss a moment. Its battery-powered design makes installation a breeze with no hardwiring required. The premium build blends beautifully with any home decor. Protect your home in style and enjoy unparalleled peace of mind. Don't wait. Step into the future of security today. Transform your workspace with the Mac Mini M4 dock, the ultimate aluminum stand and hub designed specifically for the Mac Mini M4 and M4 Pro 2024. This sleek accessory combines style and functionality, featuring an M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure for blazing fast storage upgrades. With two USB-A 10GB cassette ports, SD-TF card readers, and additional USB 2.0 data ports, it offers exceptional connectivity. The sturdy aluminum design matches your Mac Mini perfectly, ensuring durability and elegance. Stay organized and maximize efficiency with this compact hub that keeps your desk clutter-free. Elevate your setup today with this must-have Mac Mini companion. Product review for Only One Water Dental Flosser Pick. The Only One Water Dental Flosser Pick is a game changer for oral hygiene. With its 300mm water tank and IPX7 waterproof design, it ensures a mess-free and thorough clean every time. Perfect for travel, this portable and rechargeable irrigator provides professional-level flossing even on the go. The electric cleaning system effortlessly removes plaque and debris, keeping your smile healthy and bright. Its sleek and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use daily. Whether you're dealing with braces or sensitive gums, this flosser adapts to your needs. A must-have for anyone aiming for optimal dental care. for the perfect travel companion? The Amazon Basics hard-side luggage delivers style, durability, and convenience in one sleek package. Its scratch-resistant surface ensures it stays looking fresh trip after trip. The spinner wheels glide effortlessly, making navigation through busy airports a breeze. Compact yet spacious, the 21-inch size meets most airline carry-on requirements. The vibrant orange color is easy to spot on baggage carousels. With a sturdy hard-side exterior, your belongings stay safe and secure. Travel smarter and in style with this reliable and budget-friendly suitcase. The Solarai Compressed Air Duster is a game changer for all your cleaning needs. With its 3-gear adjustable speed, it offers precise cleaning power, whether you're tackling a dusty keyboard, PC, or airbed. The rechargeable cordless design makes it incredibly convenient and eco-friendly, eliminating the need for disposable air cans. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers a powerful and consistent airflow for efficient cleaning. Its compact size and ergonomic design ensure easy handling and portability. Perfect for home cleaning tasks, it's a versatile and durable solution that saves time and energy. Say goodbye to dust with this must-have gadget. Stay connected and healthy with the 1.85 HD smartwatch. This sleek and stylish smartwatch lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist, keeping you hands-free and always connected. With 120+ sports modes, it's perfect for tracking workouts and achieving fitness goals. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures durability, even during intense activities. The heart rate and sleep monitor provide valuable insights for better health management. Seamlessly compatible with iOS and Android, it's the ultimate activity tracker for all. Lightweight, versatile, and feature-packed, this is the perfect companion for your active lifestyle. Take charge of your day with this must-have smartwatch.